And welcome to the Unseen Universe! Today, we have a very exciting episode. At least I think so. Today, we have Fool's Gold. Yeah, I have a special gem here in my hand. Check that out. This is called pyrite. Can we say pyrite? Pyrite! And pyrite was also known or is known as... You like the pyrite? Oh yeah, it's shiny, shiny pyrite. Yeah. Pyrite is also known as...
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty. Pyrite is also known as fool's gold. Some people went into the caves and they thought this was gold. But this is not gold. It's called fool's gold. So let's take a look at it. I gave a little sample to these guys. I have a third sample here underneath the microscope. Let's begin our exploration. There it is.
I see green.
You see like a greenish sparkle?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's shining. Little sparkles are shining. That's called the mineral's luster.
Ooh.
Wow, isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
It's very bumpy. It's very shiny from here as well. But when you look at it...
Gems actually underground.
They are underground. You have to go deep into the earth to dig them out. Sometimes they're on the surface, but most of the time you have to dig deep. This is called pyrite.
And sometimes they're inside a cave.
Sometimes they're inside a cave, yeah, and the miners have to go dig them out. Those are very brave people. Yeah, they go get them. So this is pyrite.
Things to break the pieces into little pieces.
How do they do that?
They use drills to do it.
Yeah, they use drills, pickaxes, hammers. Yeah, okay. Settle down there, Buster. So this is the 5X. Let's go a little bit closer. Let's go to the 10.
Oh,
Whoa.
I see gray and silver.
Yeah, it's gray and silver and it's very shiny. It's really sparkling. I could see why people really wanted to find this gem. Yeah. Do you know the difference between fool's gold and real gold?
No.
No? Real gold is heavier. Fool's gold is very light. Yeah, when you have real gold, it's heavier than this one. Mm-hmm.
It's not that heavy when I'm holding it.
Yeah, it's light. See, it should be heavier. Yeah. So there's the 10X. You can see the little sparkles. It's really sparkly and shiny. Let's go to the 20 and get even more close.
Yeah, let's go to 20.
I'm really interested to see what it's going to look like when we get close.
I just want to see what it looks like in 80.
In 80? We still have to set that one up. So there's the... Yeah, you got your little gem. See, there's a little gem right there. That's... They dig and dig for the pirate rocks. Pyrite, that's right, baby. Good job. Okay. A famous writer once said, primitive people like shiny things. I can see what she meant. Hey, Buster. Your rock fell down. Okay, we'll get it. Ready? Chiquito, can you get this? And we're back. His pyrite fell down, but we picked it up again. So here's the 20X objective. Let's do the last one, the closest we can get. 50X. Are you ready?
Yeah. After 50X comes 80X.
Yeah, we don't have that one ready. There's the 50. What do you think about that?
It's kind of a little bit blondie and cloudy.
It's cloudy. Yeah, it is a little bit cloudy. Yeah.
No, Look, the deepest underground.
So there's the 50X, folks. Really shiny. There's different facets to the rock that reflect light in different directions, so it appears really sparkly. I really like pyrite. Yeah, and I understand why people thought it was gold. It's really shiny. Yeah, that's right. So there you go, folks. This was pyrite. Fool's gold, as it's also known. Yeah, what did you think of it?
I like it.
You like it? Well,
I like that episode.
You like this episode? I do as well. Thank you for joining us as we explore the unseen universe.